Good afternoon, Miss Rosinda. My name is Chelsea Angela and I'm from 7C, and today I'm going to show you the application of contraction and expansion. And I'm going to do the balloon experiment because I thought that this was kind of interesting for me and I like to do it for you and my friend. And I hope you enjoy. So the things that you will need is a aqua bottle or a plastic bottle, a balloon, 2 containers filled with cold water and hot water, and make sure that your hot water is hot or not the balloon will not expand. So the first step is take off the lid. Take your balloon and put it on top of the bottle. And now I'm gonna start with the expansion, and I'm gonna do this with the hot water. So just put your bottle on the hot water, and as you can see, the balloon started to expand. The balloon started to go up because it's expanding. The gas from the water is coming up to the balloon. Now you can see that it is expanding, and now I'm going to show you how they will look when they are contracting. So take your cold water and put your balloon, your bottle inside the cold water, and you can see that it's contracting, it's getting smaller. It's getting smaller and smaller. So now you can see the difference between the expansion and the contraction between the balloon in the hot water and the cold water. And now I'm going to explain about contraction and expansion. When the balloon is heated in a hot water or a hot temperature, the air in the balloon consists of molecules flying around in many directions, and there is 1,000 of air flying, and the result is they push the balloon so it will expand, and the outer of the balloon started to stretch and it's become tight. And when the sun heated the balloon, or maybe some light heated the balloon, the molecules will get faster, and this pushes the balloon and make it bigger. And when the gas gets hot, it takes out so much space, and this process is called expansion. So you know what is meant by expansion? Expansion means they're getting bigger because maybe the hot temperature or the hot water or maybe the sun heated the balloon and make them bigger because they have this process called expansion. And now I'm gonna share you about contraction. Contraction. But you know, when expansion, we need to put them in a hot temperature, but if you let the balloon sit in a cold temperature, the opposite will happen. It will become smaller. The colder the air molecules became, they will move slower, and the less they have the energy to push the balloon, which make them smaller. Cold molecules take up less space than hot molecules. In other words, when the gas gets cold, it contracts, and this process is called contraction. So in cold temperature, the gas inside the balloon don't have the energy to push because the air molecules is slowing down because it's the cold temperature, and they need hot temperature to expand. So this is the end of my experiment. I hope you enjoy my experiment, and I hope you learn something from this experiment. Thank you for watching.